Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how the tutorial on how to see install apps in Play Store. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened the Google Play Store, and if you guys want to see what are the install apps on your phone, you can just click on your profile icon at the top and click on manage apps and device, and here go to the manage section. Okay, so here are the list of the install apps in your Play Store or in your device. So there are so many apps that install on my phone, but if you want to see the apps that need to be updated, you can just click on this, and here are the list of the apps that needs to be updated. Okay, so that's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. That is how you can see install apps on in Play Store. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.